Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching.
Gen Z for na mo ye ka hwe na mo entie no. You people you think say Nanado is the worst president ever no. Mo metie nyansasem Nana Kwame Eka. Or say I had my teaching posting in 2018 and within 5 months all my documentations and staff ID dropped. On the 6th month, he paid 5 months of my salary. He gave us CPA and data allowances every year. Mumpewi na mupede. Na these same nurses and midwives and teachers mo. Nanado abeka say or to national service allowance mo or to from 715 akọ 1,000. Na say NDC for a year campaign na these same nurses, teachers and midwives no ejina ho bonsem. Omo bonsem just omo ufro na omo ufro no. Abayeba power omo consider like mono omo consider mo in their policies na mo mpe. Nurse ni midwife wo obetumi aka say NDC government and a posti wono for evidence ba. What's we a nurse ni we a midwife NDC aban and a posti wo na enye nanado aban enye NPP and a posti wa for evidence ba na yenhwe. NDC for mo posti nurses and midwives go fie sa NPP ba no mo jibi free no mo jibi free into time bia no a bunch of year groups egu fie still mo Gen Zs mo ne mo hwe ye ka di wo ma kire mo a na mo posa e de kire sana mo nim sadase beba e na aba no adie nipa na mo bo nsem sa mo peno no or say more short memory. And it's true. No crepa, there is no two ways about what he said. No cre more short memory. Bibini uma bibini aduane de bia se ondia or appreciate eno than say obeka say ne ye savings amano dachi na wo de amano na de abobra bibini mpe no ope de bia obedi ne funko anodwe ho munya ho hwe de eba no eso chan de mu hu nti munja isu cause mo su ntema next one de na mo ba bewu me to me kam mesmen san ka me de mesra ho ma cheko kanta ekoyi fools beton enye school nkwa na ye adwuma ohwe na wontumi ntina afia besen ahoma ache me kwa me no beko women supporting women yeah they and be no kanta women sin ko yi fools meton why no ho hwe
concrete evidence ediachi MPP ni bi edina kotum enu nti wa hu these days no yema yedi wasem e wo social media any media so ansa na court krat na wasem so mutie that is why and I said it here and I'm a mom reference point to say Ebra Rollins free so no yenya eye Rollins appointees are na oma cause financial loss to the state and as oma more minor triska ama minor akọ oyenemu na yedi onko gina court no sebio sanka wo mo ho son a anka ebeja wo mo makọ na enso esanse na oma ye ketase hye ne proye ama na boro so na edi oman ni nyanti no yetumi di nipa ye den ekotu mu metumi abo Kwame Pepra Victor Bibi di okowu ze Salome o wanwan di okowu jail metumi abo bakwi Thompson metumi abo Abuga Pele, metumi abo exhibit, even including ministers here. Na omoye Rollins appointees. President Kufuor be ye na adwuma wie ye okoye no. NDC for so say wo monte ase. Almost the MPP for be kwa kotum. Enu nti wo so a ye nkrofo no ye mpanifo ni bebre de omu kogina court a. Bi ba kokura ni hotie ni ye. Ba kokura ni wa yetumi ka say ampa we discount to them. Enu nti na ye me wanwa say Obi wo betumi aka say all politicians are the same. I don't buy that crap. I personally don't buy that nonsense. All politicians are not the same. All politicians are not thieves the way NDC wants us to believe because omoya kronfunti. Aden America sa. Osi merieska. Yedemi akokot. When nyina so ma yam fami antumi. Meso we rieska. Me metumi nyina so evidence e kire se we rieska ma yede watum. Yes, still then can chere Ghana ni say dia orieska yenya evidence dini tu mu no. Ono no mom eye den eye krogen na dia yantumi amfa na ntum no mom eye kronfo. In fact, all politicians are not the same. And the example of Chairman Kukufu and Nayebe discussing is something that we all have to see, especially in Penifua, your farm was a monko places and Koyejumano. It should give you that type of self-awareness. See you say Koyejuma or baby or mine Juma na Okoye. Into Okwa we ni clean now on someone take. Now said one of my bonting, I went to me feel good because we be to me be and found for real. Sister Ellen, Oba na was I call and come be mount. Me patcho, we the affair and come in. Chairman Kukufu eba be bua fast there, but Obi be quicker. What person would the fast one patron come into you now, mean to me and to us to see himself.
Nenya kasi ya wo nenya dan bibre awo nemo nipa ne wo nti me hwe say the staff of EPA omo
NDC for pe kwan bi sa emoja yesi wo mo famra ne nkakra asofo akwasiampafo akondo ayisabe akwadontofu a eben John Mahama entumi nkase there is doom, we call the heavens to speak. And na sofo malu pala mula ontumi mompaye emenyame yiniama nkyere no nanso abronya de anko akogina ho aye na foot sese betete boto ebe gina ho na malakalu. I give you 74 hours cause ya abronya tena more than 2 months twenye no and we must start here use police and state say yem fan ha abronya. And I promise you, NDC people, look at me and look at me well. My name is Felix Appiah. Mark today's down. Until John Mahama and his leadership stop consulting these occults and stop using magics and stuff like that to blind people, they will forever die. They will die. Will say yeah, until they speak the truth. Until they speak the truth where they have taken the spirit of Ghana to. Now one can say Ghana in on of Ghana now. Don't you see Ghana moya? You don't feel it? Spirit be and control say on mining moya ha now. Don't you see Ghana moya ha? Unsye nyansa. And that year, Nyankupon say, Mahama, Nakoma yepa, into Amana Kuma Sessa, into say, you have a transfer, and you pay with you, at Yancha maybe you. Nyankupon say, Mahama Nelko, also Bampa, we Nyankupon, you would need. Mona Mama Sanyama winning at Tokana, Mr. Mays, house of Wino. When Nyankupon, you also Bampania software bay for a cost support to Mahama, this are a general way, Abragana, or the moon in any. Because you catch them. And I'm watching you say, Ubia Mobiscos and Crass, some Nayo Mokakan Ubia Mobiska. Do you people even know how I feed? When you amico more Canada. When you quire me fast with Didi. be jina catch them so be ama uska na would disca when about me ama when is ka. Damn na mobile. And until they change, I'm not changing this soul. God doesn't speak and just changes it like that. Onyame onyesa on tinte so mfana no mfasa. Until again, I will repeat it. Until the NDC changes from their evil ways. Until NDC comes clean. These type of strategies have been following myself for all these 4 years. You can mark it anywhere. This is just the beginning. Yamfa mauna woko jia ifri wonsa. Nagana for no bebre no, especially sa party NDC no. Omuni munyansa. Ayan kwasi a party you. Esunagro. They might have some fine gentlemen in there, but naturally the ideology and the mindset of NDC a Jimmy for party. And no one thing as a bay cost where you're more dead. Moja shugu where you're more dead. John 1:1. Nay, you send an ear for the whole circle. A jacoto a she nipa. Na ye sika kura se sanke ye do mabusuafo a ahwere won de hye no. Said the nam tamakro atam skane de abetena brochire.
Hey! Kanye. Ghana for Nansen yeti ha na abronya de betu dwa se. Eye yenua Malik Basintali. Eye the CEO or Youth Employment Agency. Ne ho do no kakra. Yetimi de na ba be piem e wo UK. So mra megya yarehwe. Na ensemi ba monte no na Malik Basintali ono ankasa ba out abaye videos. Akase asem na eko anase ne nam amansante ntankese ne so no enye no kure. Na ma obi anjindi. Ye da awurade ase se ni nyina no enye no kure. Na mom se wo na ma me awuo na wo so wada wo na kombede wo. Ye da nyame ase se wo ho ye na wo se ye untu kwan enko UK na mom wo Ghana ha ya. Ye da awurade ase. Na when early part of 2025 ya ye wura mu ana akwa bi a ye frɛ no owuo bafo ebeka asem bi efa Malik Basintali ho. Na yem se antimi anko viral. Moma yenkotie asem a papa yi kan ye owia ye ho ne ye beka ato aso.
We say omo de no pe bambo enye sa no de papa fie omo de yare be ha ne sa obenye sika pa
Basintali no
obenye sika rough oye sika ni kese pa but omo de yare and be discipline no enti o si ano kwan na asa na du o ne pia bonten a de nsem ene be de ebeba
Nti wei ena samani ekafa Malik Basintali ho se onim oduyefo bi anaso onim mala bi ana onim sofo bi a on contact no na afi enye na afi Malik se da bi edika ka kiro wa hu se nipa ho odin so a nipa ho odin so a unim ochina asem nti no wo ya ade a na wato ubu ase wo betena krom ha ebe kan sem basa sebe emfata ede che Dr. Mahmoud Baumia se wo udi adanse se Dr. Mahmoud Baumia on penam bia gise prekunam unim se obi so a oye nkremoni mapa a watimi akomeka a se oye alaji utimi ko gina nipa domanim eka kire o mo se enam a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia opepa ne preku ena Dr. Mahmoud Baumia osanso ewensa wo se wa ankasa udi hu adanse na ewo Quran mu se uka unua ho asem na se nye asem papa anase asem no enye no kra onyankopon anase Allah ene ubedi se ne emra no se Namaste.